Hello everyone, this is Nicolas from Luos. Today's video is a tutorial to learn how to make a smart bike alarm using Luos modular technology. This tutorial is exclusively about software development. All hardware stuff of the project are open source and directly available on the Luos GitHub. The main purpose here is to explain how to develop a complete product from embedded software to cloud applications following microservices philosophy. If you are not familiar with what Luos is yet, you should definitely go to the Luos website, luos.io. In this video, I'm just going to show you the results of the tutorial, but if you want to go deeper, I also made a complete article in 5 steps allowing you to do the same for your own project. Let's see how it's working. In this bike, I add different boards hosting different modules. I will use Luos example boards with ready-to-use drivers and only focus on the embedded application modules development. On step 1, I start this alarm project with a motion sensor on the LED board and I create an alarm app to blink the LED when the motion sensor is moving. On step 2, I develop my app to be able to evolve and be reusable easily. On this article, I share with you all my tricks to make you understand what you have to take care of to do the same. On step 3, I add an app allowing to disable and enable the alarm safely. To make it, I use a button board with the default Luos driver. The app I created controls the alarm depending on this button. Because our app is really adaptable, we can unplug this button on the network. On step 4, I add a power switch board with a track arm synchronized on the LED blink. Now we get a really dissuasive protective system. To unlock the bike, you have to plug the button, push it, and you are ready to go. To lock it, you have to do it the other way. Push the button, unplug it, and the alarm is running without any way to stop it. I use the hot plug capability of my Luos app to turn my button as a key. I even can update the app on the button to set up the sound or the color of my bike light. The last step, 5, is to connect the bike to the cloud to be able to control the entire system remotely using a mobile app or something. Connecting the system is really straightforward. You just have to add a board able to send and receive things from a computer such as USB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or 4G boards. By loading a gate module in it, you directly have a complete remote control of your entire system without changing anything on the embedded software. To learn more about Luos on this project, let's go to step 1 of this tutorial linked below.